appropriate question would be, yung ito with sincerity. Kayo bang mga military pati police,
Yan na.
would you still continue to support a drug addict?
Yan! Ang adik!
Ninyo kumala, pero tanungin mo lang yung Presidential Security Command. Puro military man yan.
Ayan!
You did that go far. Yung mga tao ninyo sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict na presidente?
Tama! Tama! Oh!
Sabihin mo sa amin,
Ayan!
kasi nagpapatulong kami to
Kaya.
get the answers. Sana we cannot get a correct and accurate true answer from kami ang magtanong. Barado kami ngayon